Have you ever spent a long time on the internet's more serious side, the one with news, politics, and health topics? Or maybe you wonder what it takes to write those news articles you see on the internet. Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to make money by submitting articles and getting paid for them. But here's the thing, you don't have to write these articles by yourself. If you're not sure about your writing skills or if you think your English isn't very good, that's perfectly fine. In fact, all you have to do is copy and paste a few words. You have an article of your own. Anyone of any age from anywhere in the world can use this. Even though it may not seem like it, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. It won't require you to do affiliate marketing or have a lot of people following you on social media. All you have to do is have a computer or a mobile device and a way to connect to the internet. To do this, you won't even need experience or a lot of technical skills. So, if you're interested, stay until the end of this video because I'll show you how to use 3 more websites to increase your chances of making money. I'll show you ways to make money that are sure to be up to date and easy to do at home. So you can make money anytime, man. So if that's what you're looking for, don't be afraid to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you'll be the first one to watch our new videos as they are released. You also leave a comment if you have any questions or want to know more about our ways. But let's get back to this video. This method won't take more than 30 minutes of your time. I've already said it's very easy and doesn't cause any trouble. So the first step is to find news that you can use to write your own article. You can visit either Google News or news.google.com. When you open the page, you will see a wide range of articles, from those about politics to those about sports, things like business, fun, technology, and health. It's like a digital newspaper that you can flip through with just a few mouse clicks. On the left side of the screen, you can see all of the site's categories. There's a local news and world news, but for this exercise, I want you to pay attention to the local news, mostly in the health section. So for example, if you click on this health tab, you will be taken right away to a huge list of news and articles about health from the last few days. Look for something interesting, something that grabs your attention. For instance, we chose this one because it was just added. If you click on it, the whole article will open up for you. Again, don't worry because this is not how you will write your own article. All you have to do is open up the article and rewrite the words and phrases you find there. If you're worried about how hard this is, I'll show you a way to make things easier and help you make money quickly. So the first step is to go to Google News and look for an interesting article about health. The second step is to put the article in your own words. Going to spinbot.com is a simple way to do this. Spinbot is a free website that automatically rewrites the words in an article to make it sound smart and easy to read. By using synonyms and more interesting phrases, it gives the article a little bit more flavor. And it's correct in terms of grammar. So all you need to do is go back to the article and copy, let's say, the first paragraph, then copy it and paste it into the text box on Spinbot. If you click on this arrow, it will almost automatically change the article into one that is similar but different. It has similar content, but Spinbot makes it just a little bit different. Keep doing this until the whole article is done. Now that your article is finished, you will look for sites that will pay you for every word. But wait, you don't have to actually look for these sites because I'll take you there. Eatingwell.com is the first site I'll show you. You can send your finished articles to Eating Well and get paid by the word. As you can see, it's a website about health. So putting the health articles you've written to good use will be very profitable for you. See, it's really no hard work. You can get a high quality piece that will let you earn $1 per word by just copying and pasting on Spinbot. I'll show you how to send in your article soon, but first, I'd like to know if any of you know any other websites that have to do with health. Let's see if any of them also pay you for articles. Please, leave a name in the comment section. I definitely appreciate that, So how do you actually get paid on these articles is what you're probably thinking now. You'll have to actually scroll down a bit to find this section, which has links to their contact information. They will send you to a page called Writer's Guidelines, which will ask you a few questions about the article. You'll find a form that asks you to explain what your article is about. Just write the main idea of the piece and you're done. Don't worry because you can use the guide questions for the pitch to fill out the form. After they fill out the form, they will actually look over the article. If they like it, they'll want to know, how to pay you. Most people use PayPal and their email address to do this, but if you want to use a different method, like a bank transfer, just include your bank account information in the email. This method, you can make as much money as you want because you're always writing new articles arriving every hour. So you can use those articles and just use SpinBot to help you make interesting pieces. I've shown you how to use Eating Well, but you can submit your articles to even more sites. For instance, you can send your new work to sierraclub.org. Their process is a bit, it's much simpler than Eating Well's, but your articles must be about science or technology. For example, you could send your new work to sierraclub.org. Their process is much simpler than Eating Well's, but your articles must be about science or technology instead. So, just like in the step 1, look for a story in Google News technology section. Then just send your article to the email address. Their rules say that the word pitch must be in the subject line for them to know that you are sending an article. Then, in the email's body, give a short summary of the subject. This is easy. Just tell them what the article is about in 1 or 2 sentences. Then, this is important. Copy and paste the whole article into the email body. Don't just send the Word or PDF file. Then you can leave your information and click send. So that's it, man. That's the process you guys can make easy money copy and pasting text into a new article. And it's very simple. If you guys enjoyed this video or learned anything, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll continue to release these videos for you guys as I learn. Again, a lot of these things are things that I'm learning and testing out myself to see if they work, and I'm presenting it to you guys. And I'll always update the information as I go. So again, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back shortly.